one technology the government in this region has really taken to heart recently are these things, the drones.
Hola amigos de YouTube, hoy presentamos los drones. Es la competencia de dos drones.
We've seen them.
Arabia Saudí presenta el dron Fuku.
Dubai doesn't do things by halves, so this is a big deal here. Teams from all around the world have flown in to show the judges their prototypes.
Este dron sirve para eventos policiales y eventos médicos.
From several years, we have a lot of car pile-up accidents and disasters happening because of the fog, and also the flight, the airway.
Este dron está en experimento.
From several years, we have a lot of car pile-up accidents and disasters happening because of the fog, and also the flight, the airway companies and people are really getting annoyed when their flight is diverted.
We are doing an extraordinary experiment in extraordinary environment.
Using a concept similar to cloud seeding.
It has a washer, it has a squeegee.
From several years, we have a lot of car pile-up accidents and disasters happening because of the fog, and also the flight, the airway companies and people are really getting annoyed when their flight is diverted.
We are doing an extraordinary experiment in extraordinary environment.
Using a concept similar to cloud seeding in 20 minutes, allowing pilots to take off and land safely.
This is an autonomous drone.
Estados Unidos presenta el dron Colite. Este dron está en experimento.
So this cage can rotate around the inner frame of the robot. So the part with the propellers in the motor.
Yeah.
So that if the drone collides against the obstacles, only the cage will rotate, and the inside will just stay vertical.
This kind of gimbal thing here is fantastic because that's what they strap astronauts into, isn't it? To spin them around. Can you give us some examples of where you see this sort of drone being used?
So basically this drone can go anywhere where other drones cannot go, like inside collapsed buildings, anywhere where like there is a lot of...
Este dron se desplaza abajo. Ok, amigos de YouTube, si les gusta el video, denle like. Los espero en un próximo video. Muchas gracias.